Are you tired of bad PLLs always ruining your solves? Are you tired of always getting V Perms, Y Perms and G Perms? Well, fear no more, because today I'll be sharing with you 6 COLL algorithms I think every Kiwi should know. But first, what is COLL? COLL is an advanced 3x3 subset. It's basically used when you have an OLL with a cross on top. Then, using certain corner recognition patterns, you do a different algorithm than your standard OLL, which will give you an EPLL, which means that all your edges are solved. The 4 EPLLs you can get are this U Perm, the other U Perm, a Z Perm, and an H Perm. All these algorithms are relatively fast and they are much better than adjacent and diagonal swaps such as V Perms. I would recommend you learn them if you average anywhere from sub 15 to sub 10. I will be showing all these cases on yellow, so be sure to follow along. Hey guys, so if you've been on YouTube for the past day, you have probably seen a ton of videos about Team Cs. And if you haven't, basically, a bunch of creators are gonna do something just like Team Trees, where instead of planting 20 million trees, they're going to be raising money to clear 30 million pieces of rubbish out of the ocean. So please, donate whatever you can and try to spread the word about it. Anyway, let's get back to the video. Starting off with the easiest COLL that I think is easiest to learn is this H case where you have these 2 stickers the same and these 2 stickers also being the same, and these 2 being opposite and these 2 being opposite. The algorithm for this is F R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U R prime U prime F prime. The next case is where you have these 2 being the same, and these 2 being the same, and these 2 being opposite, and these 2 being opposite. The algorithm for this is R U2 R prime U prime R U R prime U prime R U prime R prime. The next case we will be learning is this T case. This is where you have these 2 being the same, and these 2 being the same, and these 2 being opposite, and these 2 being opposite. The algorithm for this is soon, U2, anti-soon. R U R prime U R U2 R prime U2 R prime U prime R U prime R prime U2 R. The 4th case is this pi case. This case is normally used as an OLL algorithm, so this won't be very hard to learn. You only need to learn the recognition. You have these 2 being the same and these 2 being opposite. You solve this by doing R U2 R2 U prime R2 U prime R2 U2 R. The next case is this L case, where you have these 2 being opposite of each other and this piece being adjacent. You solve this by putting these at the back. You can either do triple soon or this algorithm. R U R prime U R U prime R prime U R U prime R prime U R, U2, R prime. You can also execute this by doing a triple soon, which looks like this. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. The final case we will be learning today is this L case. This is where you have these two being the same and these two being opposite. You solve this using this algorithm. F, R prime, F prime, wide R, U, R, U prime, R prime. So thanks so much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe because I work really hard on all these videos and it literally only takes you 5 seconds to subscribe. Click this video here if you want to know more about the RS3M 2020 and RS3M 2021 and click this icon here to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and stay safe.